We have an amazing product today. I'm Lakshman Srikanth, co-founder of a company called as LegalCrystal. So I come from an advocates family. So my mom, dad, my mother and father are advocates. So why we are developing software? Why LegalCrystal when there are so many other software? I'll tell you what's unique about our software. See, what we have worked on is mainly is user experience. This is what we have worked on. See, we have spoken to a lot of advocates. You know what they tell me? They say, to get a relevant judgment, I go and click on some 10 clicks, and then also I don't get a relevant judgment. So what we have worked on is the user experience. So it's like Google for Indian law. The first thing, minimizing number of clicks. Second thing is minimizing navigation. So if you want to view judgments under Section 60 Companies Act, so if you go consider any other software, it's not user friendly. So here navigation in the sense of window exchange. So to view the judgment, when you enter the keyword, Section 60 Companies Act, and then you view the judgment, you minimize the navigation process. Next thing is displaying the relevant judgments. When you key in Section 60 Companies Act, you get the judgment which is under that section and then act. And then you focus on search engine. The data is there, the data is available, all the judgments data is available. Everything is available. What's so important? Search. How do you search? The main thing, if you want to go and see, search a judgment under a case phrase, for example, specific performance. So you want a judgment under this case phrase. So what do? Manually, what do? You go and search, take out the book, magazine, and then search for the specific phrase. You look at the index and then go to the page number and then search. Here, just type and then click the button. It's that simple. So innovative search engine. We have developed this search engine for about, we worked on this for about 2 years, and this is the product that we have. Now, let's go into the demo right away, okay? Because you and me both don't have time, so let's move on to the demo. Now we will see act in section wise judgment display. So this is our home page. If you log on to www.legalcrystal.com, you see this home page. Do you know how this home page is? Can you make out how the home page is? Looking at this, it's like Google. See, this is Google for Indian law. So for example, go ahead and click on Acts. If you click on Acts, this is the radio button. I'm clicking on Acts, and then key in negotiable instrument. What this is, auto suggestion. So I just typed NEG and then I get a list of relevant keywords based on whatever you're typing. This is the act, click on negotiable instruments act. Section 138. SEC, section 138. And then I'm hitting the search button. I'm just typing it here and hitting the search button, and this is the act. This is the Act Pro, the Act Negotiable Instruments Act, section 138. Under this act, this is the judgment. This is the case name, the party's name. If you click on the party's name, click on the party's name. So this is the judgment. So this is the citation of this specific judgment, citation number AIR 2002 Delhi 209, and this is the judgment. Hold on. This is the case note. You can refer the case note or directly take a printout of the judgment. You can save it as PDF. You can save it as Word. So these three icons on the top right, the first icon is Word icon. So if you click on that, it saves as Word. You can increase the font size and take a printout. Or next, you can save it as PDF and then mail it. Next thing is directly take a printout of this judgment. So this is act-wise judgment display. So So these are the judgments under that specific act. So next is phrase or word search. So I spoke to these few advocates, young advocates. They say, I'm not familiar with law, in the sense I don't know which section, which act. So how do I go about it? Is there any way in English, if I type in English, and I get a relevant judgment pertaining to that phrase or word? So yeah, we have done this. Let's go ahead, live demo. So click on case summary. Then search for specific performance. And hit search button. It's that simple. Only 3 clicks to get the relevant judgment. So these are the judgments under that specific word that you have keyed in. Click on the question. So this is search options. So what this search options is, in that window itself, if you want to view Allahabad High Court cases under that case phrase, just click on Supreme. You get a list of judgments under Supreme. Allahabad. Click on Allahabad. These are the list of judgments under Allahabad High Court. Karnataka, both. So these are the Karnataka High Court judgments. So under specific performance keyword. So and then I want the latest judgments. 2009, 2008. We have a list of year versions there. So you can click on 2009 if you want the latest judgment. Click on 2009. So this is 2009, Karnataka year 2009 judgment under that specific keyword. Now see, now I am okay, fine. Case word search is fine. Now I don't want to go to the home page. I want to search in this page itself. In the top right, can you see the same text field there? So you need not go to the home page. You can search right here. So I want to perform an act-wise search now. Okay, specific performance is fine. No, act-wise. Specific relief act. Specific relief act. On this window itself, I'm talking about, you need not go back or front anywhere. So these are the judgments under specific relief act. So this is not just the judgments under this act. Did you notice 2009 and then you have selected Karnataka? So it's listing judgments under the year 2009 and state Karnataka. This is what it's all about. Next slide. So search option says it minimizes navigation. You need not navigate to any other window. In the same window itself, you can search any judgment. Any judgment under any act, citation or case summary. This is purely amazing. Next thing is autocomplete. I'll tell you, autocomplete is just purely amazing. It's one of the magical feeling that you get before typing the full keyword. You get a list of relevant keywords. See how useful it is. Let's go and have a demo. You already noticed it. Let me demo it again. Keyword. So these are the list of possible keywords that you would use it, you would click or you would type. So you can click on anything and then perform search. And then click on a judgment. See, and then one more thing is here. You can perform a judge-wise search, advocate-wise search, or multiple act-wise search. I'll come to that. So here, did you notice? We have a list of the things see here. The first is the case name, second is the citation, third is the judge name, and the date, and then the act, and there's the case number of this case. There are 3 details here, and then the case note. This case note, I'll tell you, from MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, we've got this case note from. There is this algorithm, amazing algorithm, the guy has developed this. It gives you a case note of a specific judgment. It summarizes the whole judgment and puts it here. It's open source. That's where we have got the case note from. So this is the case note of this specific case. Next slide. Search options. As I told you, the search options which you saw, Allahabad, Supreme High Court, any High Court, just click on it. On the specific page itself, that's to refine your search. You already have performed the search, and then you can refine the search. Okay. Next slide.
Stop pause.
Citation search. We have around 114 publications So we got the data from judice.nic.in. Whatever you're watching is from judice.nic.in. And then we have structured this data properly. We have powered with amazing search, just like Google. So citation search. Okay, search for AR 2002. Here. So this is the citation search. See the AR 2002. Zoom in. So this is AR 2002 on all the page numbers in the publication. So you can perform a citation by search. If you know the exact page number, and then the year, and then the magazine name, publication's name, you can do it. You can perform a search. Next slide. Yeah, right now what I'm going to demo is advanced search. Advanced search is multiple input search. For example, if you want to perform a search on the party's name, appellant, respondent name, you can go ahead and do it. Or multiple acts. Or a case note, word, and then an act. You can do it. Or an advocate by judgment display. So, you go to the home page, and click on advanced search. Zoom out. So this is the advanced search that we have here. So right now, let's search for a name called as Achyutan Pillai. This is the party's name. And then High Court is Kerala. Hit search for it. This is the first judgment. We got, I searched for Achyutan Pillai, and this is the Kerala High Court. This search is based on party's name. Next. So right now we will search multiple acts. So go ahead and then enter CRPC, random act, CRPC section 482. And then in the case note I will say provident fund. And then hit the search button. See here, Employees Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provisions Act, and then CRPC section 482. These two acts point to this judgment. This is multiple act search. It's very simple. So you see, you get a list of judgments under these two acts. Again, advanced search. So right now we go for advocate by judgment display. Let's go ahead and put V.R. Vishwanath. Next search. So these are the list of judgments under an advocate. If your case is reported, you can go ahead and search your own case. There is a Is it reported? Shakarappa. Spell sir, please. The proper noun for spelling is important. Is it under dependent?
No.
Advocate for whom? Dependent or appellant?
Petition.
Shakarappa and Associates.
Yeah.
This is a judgment. I think if you go for plaintiff, you can get more cases. This is a Shakarappa advocate, so this is a judgment under the specific advocate. So if you have, let's go to the next slide now. I'll come to the Q&A in the end. Sure, the perform came put over. Dependent. And then it's search button. This is a list of judgments under came put over. There are a lot of judgments.
Correct.
So next thing is bed access. So we have all bed acts covered, central and state. We got the information from indiacode.nic.in. It's open source. So bed act search is just like Google. And then one more thing, main feature in bed act is come to the point. Go to the bed act search. So you go ahead and search for Indian Evidence Act. Right now it's browsing on the internet, so it's a little bit slow. Indian Evidence Act. So here, this is a list of short titles. Right now, if you go and click on a title, for example, section 5, section 1, just clicking on a title, it will drag down the whole thing and you get the exact ad. It will drag down. If clicking on section 3, you get the relevant ad, the section, specific section. So this is what Verax is all about. And then one more thing. Sir, I'll come back to the question here. See.
What about amendment?
You have amendment here, sir.
Suppose amendment takes place afterwards, will it be implemented?
Yes, it will be implemented. As soon as it's updated in indiacode.nsc, it will be updated here. The build technology. Yes. Sunil.
Where at section 5 of Evidence Act, what are the cases reported in the Evidence Act section 5 will it come?
Sure, sir. 100%. Let me show you. So he's clicking on Acts radio button. He's performing section 5, right? Section 5 of Evidence Act. Section 5 Evidence Act. Right, search button. Section 5 Evidence Act. Section 5 Evidence Act. There's a list of judgments under the specific act. Only in 3 clicks. This is the exact judgment that you're looking for. So we'll go back to the presentation. Now, right now, yeah, these are the main core features of our search engine. So see, I know these features are already there in the existing search engines that you have seen on your phone. What's so special about ours is user experience and then the search engine. It's very unique. It's not like the others. You won't get relevant judgments like this in others. You have to take a training session for to use the software itself. Or one more thing is, this is like using a cell phone. You know, the Nokia, basic Nokia 3110 model, that's using a cell phone, it's like that. You need not be a computer genius to use this. That's what it's all about. We have understood advocate psychology and then developed this. So, and then again, I'll talk about the plans that we have here. Subscription plans. So right now this is the regular online plan that costs around 19,990, free 1-year updates, all high courts, Verax, central states, and then updates and features next year. You have to pay 7,990 if you want updates. It's okay, I don't want updates. I just want to use the software, you can use it for lifelong. Just paying 19,990. And then next thing is special online, 10,990. This is the supreme and any one high court. Cost you. So what I'm trying to say here is, it's better if you opt for regular online. One more thing about the DVD version, there are 2 advantages here and then disadvantages. About the regular DVD option, there is one control panel. I'll just demo it to you. DVD version. There's a control panel on the right side of the judgment. Then you can zoom in and zoom out very easily. That's what advantage in DVD option. The main core thing is, this is updates and features. Note it down please. This is not just judgment updates. We're not charging only for judgment updates. We're not charging 7,990. We are giving extra features. One more thing. If you want our software to be tailored according to your needs, see, I want something. I want a special feature in my software. We are software engineers. We have developed this. We have not hired any service personnel or a software service company to develop this. We have developed this for the past 2 years. We know what's wrong, what's right. So, next slide. So, the first thing is first 100 customers. We are reducing it to half price. Regular online is 10,990 and free 1-year updates. Regular DVD is 14,090. So, we are reducing the price. So, let me tell you, it will be an amazing experience using this software.
ಡೌಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅವರು.
So this iPad, latest tablet PCs, I want to change this. This is very old. In a sense, I'm not offending you. This is what I'm using the files, right? I want to change it in a digitized manner. So what if a judgment is given, it should be typed on an iPad or an Apple Macintosh and directly updated on the internet, directly updated on your cell phone. I want to do this. This is my aim. This is my roadmap. I have born and brought up with Indian law. In the sense, my granddad is an advocate, my dad is an advocate, my mom is an advocate. So I've lived in this library of books. So I want to change this. I want to convert the whole library into this farm. Handle this. Just type when you get the relevant judgment. This is what I want to do. This is the first start that I have done. And then if you want to use the search engine, we have a stall over there in AB hall number 2. There's other association hall. You can just search. You can pay us right away. So when you come and install it on your computer, if you opt for the regular DVD, if you opt for regular online, right away we're going to mail you the password, username and password. So this is what we have done. Well, let me tell you one thing. Whatever you're using, right? This is an amazing piece of technology that I've built. That we have built here. So it's going to change the whole hospital. I'm confident about this. Very confident. So please have hands on it at the other hall whenever you're free. And then thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for giving me an opportunity to talk about it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, oh, sorry.
After 2 or 3 years, if you are not you are not up to date in what should be done. If you are not in the market, what should be done? Because so many ILR cases here, some books.
See, sir, the site will be online on the server. Site will be there.
But you have to
We will have, see, we have built a crawler, automated crawler, wherein it crawls the judice.nic.in, gets the information. We are not manually copying and pasting it.
No. My question is, after 2 or 3 years, once it is sold,
We are not going away, sir. We are not going away anywhere.
What assurance you are going to? Because so many advocates, Supreme Court weekly today like that we purchase.
Okay.
So thereafterwards they are now we are not seeing them.
Sir, I know your problem, sir. We are not going to go away.
Supreme today.
You can sue us if you go away after 3 years.
Huh?
If you go away, if you buy the product, and if you go away, you can sue us, right? You can sue the company saying, oh, he promised me for 3 years and he went away. No, we are not going anywhere.
So that is our
I am
problem.
not from Bangalore.
Because 6 years, 7 years back, one person was selling here Supreme today. Now he is not here.
That Supreme today is a magazine, sir. This is a software company.
Whatever maybe like that if you do.
No, we are not going to go anywhere, sir. We are not going to go anywhere. We will be right here. And even if you blame us, even if you say search engine is not good, we are going to back it right, that night itself. Let me guarantee you. Even if you say this is not right, this is not working, we do it. That night itself. We have awesome developers here. Develop this. It will be there, sir.
అక్కడ అడ్డవాళ్ళు కరెక్ట్ టైంగా అడ్డవాళ్ళు పెడతామండి.
Software changes are very frequent. Tomorrow you may opt for some other
No, sir. I
build in the software. Then what happens?
I'll set up a running system for LegalCrystal. It goes on for me. You get the money, the business is run, it goes on. Even if I go away, the company will not go.
I mean, the company itself may shift to some other.
No, we are not
Software
good.
changes are so fast.
Sir, it's a software company, sir. LegalCrystal is one of our products. We are in the mobile application next. LegalCrystal is a product. We are not going to remove the product out of our software company, sir. No. This is our first product. It's like emotional connection to the product. We are not going to remove it. So if you are saying I have to write it down and read it. No, sir, we are not going to write it.
What is that guarantee of giving us?
We will give it in the terms and conditions saying for these many years we will be there. We will not implement it if you want. Terms and conditions. Agreement. And you want to sign on the receipt.
This investment is lifelong, 19,000 what is there.
subject to this update.
Yes. Yes.
Cyclone.
Yes.
Then what will the guarantee that you will continue for some
Sir, I'll give you a DVD, sir. You can use it at your home. If you buy the DVD version, you can use it at your own lifelong. Even if the company goes away, the software will be there on your computer.
What about updates?
Updates. 3 months once they're going to send the DVD, sir. 100%. You have to trust in this, sir, please. You're going to send, sir.
Question of 1% paying and 2%. The update.
Sir, the reason for this, see, I'll tell you one thing, sir. Why I developed this is because I want to change, not to make money. No
They
mistake.
are also interested to see that our investment is also there.
Yes, sir. And it's 100% it's safeguarded, sir. Don't worry about it. Definitely. Any questions? So if you want to search, if you want to perform a search right away live, you can go ahead and it's in the second hall. Your office and then give a demo of the product. Or if you want, you can see it right now. You can right away search and then buy it, sir. We're not saying you have to buy this is amazing, no. We want you to say. And then I thank Sutagoda and then Rajana and Ravi for allowing me to give this presentation here in this association. Thanks a lot, sir. There is one more.
Install and give the citations.
Sure.
They're taking minimum cost.
Sure, sir, we can do that. Sure. What we have thought of is we want to open a LegalCrystal store. So there you can search, perform a search, our personal will be there, our service personal will be there. So if you want a particular citation, or if you want to perform a search, he will perform a search, give you the relevant judgment right away. You can take a printout, and then we that's what we have thought of.
Outside should be given in our library. So
Yes, sir, that's what LegalCrystal store, inside the high court, or inside civil court. So we are doing that. It takes a little bit more time.
you can collect minimum whatever is the.
If you install that, members will get confidence and
Yes, sir.
then they will start buying.
Sure,
You can also charge for whatever services you are providing.
we can do that,
The
sir.
purpose of that is also to come confidence to the government.
We will do that, sir, no problem. So, sir, I want you to use our search engine, sir, right now. Right now in the other association, please use our search engine and then give us feedback. If you want to implement something, we will do it right away. And then if you're interested to buy this, you can go ahead and buy this. So, the regular DVD will be open on Thursday. So, from Thursday, we're shipping the software. Online is right away it's open. From tomorrow morning. It's ready for it. But thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot for attending the session.
ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮಾಡ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇಡೀ ನೇಷನ್